Hello everyone. Today I will tell you how to draw the graph of y equals sin x, that is sin x function with the help of unit circle. You can see, this is your unit circle. This is your unit circle and this is unit circle. Its points are 0, 0 origin and its radius is 1. So coordinate of this point would be 1, 0. Say this point is 1. And again this is 1 unit, radius is 1, so its coordinate would be 0, 1. Now this point is C and this is x-axis, say, and this is x-axis. So its coordinate would be -1 and 0. And its coordinate, say this point is D, its coordinate would be 0, -1. And this point is O. With the help of this, we will draw the graph of y equals sin x. We will draw the graph of this function. How to draw the graph of this function? Let's see, using unit circle. We will draw two perpendicular lines, that is x-axis. This is your x-axis and this is y-axis. This is origin. We will take on x-axis distance in radians. So this is 0 radian and say this point is your say this is 0, then say this is pi by 2, then 2 pi by 2, that is pi, then 3 pi by 2, then 4 pi by 2, that is 2 pi. Similarly, in this direction, we can take minus pi by 2, and this is your minus 2 pi by 2, that is minus pi, then minus 3 pi by 2, and minus 4 pi by 2, that is minus 2 pi. It's minus 2 pi. And here we will take, say this is your 1. We will take distance in numbers. Here we will take distance on x-axis in radians. And say this is your minus 1. On y-axis we will take in numbers, distance will be taken in numbers, and on x-axis distance will be taken in radians. So now taking this, suppose if I take any point over here and say this is your angle theta, say this is x, this is y, this is 1. From this we can see y upon 1 is sine theta. That is y equals sine theta. Means the y coordinates are the value of sine. Y coordinates are the value of sine. This is your 0 radian or 2 pi radian. It's pi by 2. This point C is 2 pi by 2, that is pi. This is your 3 pi by 2. And this is 4 pi by 2, that is 2 pi. And so on, we can complete. So we can see when x is 0, what is y? It is again 0. When x is 0, y is again 0. Let's take this. When x is 0, y is 0. When x is pi by 2, y is 1. When x is pi by 2, y is 1. When x is pi, y is 0. When x is 3 pi by 2, y is minus 1. We can take it minus 1. When x is 2 pi, y is again 0. Sorry, it would be here. Then when x is 2 pi, y is 0 again. So we will see that whenever we will whenever we will join these points with the help of free hands, we will draw a line like this. We will not take a straight line, we will try to join with the help of free hands in the form of curves. We can see over here, curve like this, curve like this. We can take it like curve like this. Similarly, in this direction, it will go at minus pi by 2, this will be minus 1. At pi, it will be 0. 3 pi by 2, it would be here, then 0. Then, sorry, it will be at minus pi by 2, it will be minus 1. At pi, it will be, at 3 pi by 2, it will be 1. And at minus 2 pi, it will be 0. So it will be again joining them with the help of free hands. You will get like this graph like this. We can join with the help of free hands. We will join with the help of free hands. So we can see the graph of y equals. Similarly, this graph I have drawn from minus 2 pi to 2 pi. If we will extend it, it will go like the same way you can draw it. It will go like this. In this direction also, it will go like this. So this is the graph of y equals sin x. Now, what we have observed from this graph, for which value of x this graph is defined. We could see for every value of x, this graph, this y, for every value of x, sin x is defined. So its domain is all real numbers. What is its range? Range means on substituting all real numbers over here, what would be the output? That is what is the range. And we can see over here range. We can see range means what is the value of y corresponding to value of x. If we substitute x as all real numbers, what would be output? We could see over here maximum we are getting 1 and minimum we are getting minus 1. In every case, maximum is 1 and minimum is minus 1. So its range would be minus 1 to 1. What about its periodicity? When it will change? You can see we have a complete curve from 0 to 2 pi over here. 0 to 2 pi. We can see over here. So and after this it will again, this complete curve will repeat again. That is, we will get like this. Second, yeah, this one. So this function is periodic function whose period is 2 pi. Whose period is 2 pi. So how to draw the graph of y equals sin x with the help of unit circle? It is there, and domain of y equals sin x would be all real numbers. Range of sine function would be -1 to 1, and sin x function is a periodic function with period 2 pi. That's all for sin x function, graph of sin x function.